Hey, what's up, fam? It's Will Griff, and you already know I'm here to plug you into remote jobs, side hustles, and no phone work you can apply for. Let's get it. First up, we have DataForce by TransPerfect. DataForce is part of TransPerfect, a huge global company that works behind the scene training AI systems for everything from voice assistance to content moderation. Basically, if you've ever spoken to a smart device or used an app that recommends things to you, chances are, I'm only saying. So here's why this gig is dope. You work from anywhere, anytime, no tech experience required. They give you all the training, whether you're annotating images, transcribing audio, or helping improve AI with users' feedback. You're contributing to some serious tech advancements. This job is a great game changer for people who want to work flexible projects at their own time. Great for students, stay at home parents, or anyone looking to stack their income. You can apply to multiple studies and tasks, and pay varies depending on what you're doing. Think transcription, annotation, and even user studies. If this sounds like your lane, head over to their website and check the opening by location. Apply to what fits and start earning. Quick tip, always double check the project guideline before starting. Some people lose out on the pay because they miss small details. Get clear, follow the rules, and you're golden. All right, let's keep it moving. Next up, we're looking at a full-time remote role with Avivis, a provider of supplemental health benefits. This one's for Cash App specialists or a cash application specialist. Don't let the title scare you. It's not super complicated, but it does take some attention to detail. So what does Avivis do? They offer vision, dental, hearing coverage to millions of Americans. And your role will be making sure that payment coming in is applied to the right account. Here's why this job could be a solid win. Full-time, remote, and you're working in a structured environment. They provide support, training, and solid benefits like 401k, medical, and even tuition assistance. If you're trying to break into the healthcare or finance from the remote side, this could be your way in. Who's this perfect for? Detail-oriented people who are good with numbers, love problem solving, and can communicate clearly. It requires a high-speed internet connection, and they're looking for at least 2 years of account receivable or cash application experience. But if you've done billing, bookkeeping, or admin before, you're probably good. You can find this one by heading over to Aviva's career page or search for Aviva's Remote Cash Application Specialist. Now, what I personally like about this job is the stability. It's full-time, it's structured, and it comes with benefits. If you're tired of gig works or just want something consistent, this is worth checking out. Quick tip, if you got experience but your resume is a little rusty, take 10 minutes to freshen it up. Make sure you list any billing or admin tasks you've handled, even from your past job that didn't have cash in the title. Last but not least, we talk about Hotel Planner. Hotel Planner is a global travel tech company that lets you book individual and group hotel reservations. They've been around since 2003 and work with major travel brands. This opportunity is for freelance reservation agents, fully remote, fully flexible, and all commission based. You work when you want from wherever you are. Here's a breakdown. You take calls through your browser, Chrome only, using a headset. No phone line requires. When someone books a call through you, you get paid a commission. And yes, the better your performance, the more calls you get. Here's why this one is a sleeper hit. It requires no sale background. You get training and you work anytime 24/7. And there's no cap on how much you can earn. If you're good with helping people and a basic computer skills, this one could be a great way to make money from home. Perfect for self-motivated people, night owls, or anyone looking to earn based on performance. The pay range is $10 to $30 an hour, depending on how well you convert calls into bookings. You can apply right now at hotelplanner.com under the agent application section. What I like about this one is the flexibility. It's one of the few work anytime gigs that doesn't involve surveys or clicking ads. You're actually helping people book real travel and get paid for it. Quick tip: practice your phone voice. Seriously, smile while you talk. It helps people feel comfortable and can lead to better conversation and more money in your pocket. If this one sounds like a fit for you, go ahead and apply today. These gigs won't last forever. Well, that's all I have for today. For more detailed remote jobs, side hustles, and digital play, like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. I'm Will Griff, and I'll see you on the next drop.